So that's the Airbus A400M that was flying earlier today. And it's back again, right behind this screen, there it is.
Cet atlas en cours de livraison. On va considérer que finalement